Hi friends, it's Udhaya from Backyard Garden Highlights. Hope you guys are doing great today. Today I'm really excited to show you guys how I harvest my flat beans. So without further ado, let's get into the video and show you where the plant is and how I have made this much huge harvest. So let's get inside. So you can see this is the trellis. It's a cattle panel that will hold with any kind of a storm. It will protect your plants without any kind of damage, so it's very strong. Only thing is, from the look wise, it's not really looking aesthetically, so some of your neighbors may feel like eyesore if you use this. That's I think I have experienced, but otherwise from the functional perspective this is a great choice. But if you're looking for something beautiful, you may have to choose something like this, this black one. Anyway, so this is the vegetable rice bed, and let me get inside and show you how I'm doing my harvest. This is one of the easiest growing vegetable if you want to ever try as a beginner gardener, because once you sow them and once the plant starts, you don't need to really do anything at all. It's really pretty easy. Sow and forget them. And I think water wise also I didn't see them really wilting or anything, even if I miss for some schedule. So it's a easy maintenance vegetable for a beginner gardener. From the pest issue, except the Japanese beetle or the deer, I don't see any other pest. I have seen Japanese beetle for a couple of leaves and then I squeeze them, and I don't really see much damage from Japanese beetle. And deer, definitely they love all the leaves. I think parts they may leave, but if you want to grow them and have a harvest, certainly you need to protect them from the deer. I started these plants from direct sowing sometime in I think end of April this year, and they took about a week to germinate, and this spring was really warm, so they really took over very fast, and I was able to start harvesting within 50 to 60 days. So that's amazing. And as I said, it's like you plant, and once the plant starts, you just forget. You don't need to really do so much of maintenance work like fertilizing, things like that. So they were really growing without any fertilizer. Only thing that I made sure is it was planted in a full sun area. So as long as you provide full sun, and I think maybe once a week, there is nothing really you need to do to get wonderful harvest. Once you start harvesting, the plant will produce ton of food for you. So you can just plant maybe 2 to 4 seeds, and then you can thin to 2 plants. So 2 plants is more than enough for a family if you're just using fresh parts. But if you're planning for storing in freezer for winter usage, then I think you can have additional plants. But pretty much 2 plants produces like almost 2 lb every 2 other day, so that's really a large quantity. Alright guys, I'm done with my harvest, and the harvest looks almost 2 lb or more than that. It's really heavy. I'm really holding it to show the video and I still have a lot of thing maybe ready for next couple of days. I should be able to pick another 2 lbs. So that's I think beauty about growing the flat beans. They grow pretty really with no work at all. This is really a easy growing vegetable for any beginner gardener if you want to try your own vegetables at your home. Flat beans, beautiful harvest today. Alright guys, hope you guys liked watching this video. I'll see you in another video. Please support my channel by subscribing, commenting and sharing it with your friends.